In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full view mode in Tradingview step by step, 2025. If you've ever wished your chart had just a little more room so you can focus on price action, full view mode is exactly what you need. It expands your chart to fill the screen and temporarily hides the surrounding panels, so you can analyze with fewer distractions. This is especially helpful when you're studying structure, drawing trend lines, or comparing indicators across a longer stretch of data. First, open TradingView and go to any chart. You can choose any symbol or time frame you like. Full view works the same way whether you're looking at a 1-minute chart or a weekly chart. If you already have a saved layout, just open it as usual. The key is to make sure you're looking at the chart area so you can access the chart's controls. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart. You'll see an icon that looks like a rectangle with arrows pointing outward. That's the full screen icon. It sits along the chart's control bar and may appear when your cursor is over the chart. Go ahead and click that icon. Once you click it, the chart expands into full view mode. TradingView will hide sidebars, watch lists, and menu panels, so you get maximum chart space. You'll notice more candles on screen and a clearer view of your drawings and indicators. The price scale, time axis, and your active tools remain available, so you can keep interacting with the chart just like before, only with more breathing room. This mode is great for presentations, screenshots, or simply reducing visual clutter during your analysis. When you're ready to exit full view mode, you have two simple options. Press the ES key on your keyboard for a quick exit, or click the exit full screen icon, which appears where the original icon was. Either action will take you back to your normal chart layout with all your sidebars and menus restored. Your drawings, indicators, and chart settings remain intact, so there's nothing to reapply. That's all there is to it. Open any chart, click the full screen icon in the top right, and enjoy an uncluttered, focused workspace. Then press S key or click the exit icon to return to your usual view. Using full view mode is a small change that makes a big difference in clarity, especially on smaller screens, or when you need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.